Hi guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. Now, if you follow my videos, then you'll know this year I dug up some Tanukis from a garden, one of my customers' gardens, and I've sent them out to a few YouTubers to, not a competition, but like a little challenge for people. I'm really interested to see what designs they can come up with a Tanuki. Now, everyone's designs are going to be a little bit different, which I find quite interesting, really. And I'm hoping they can come up with some really spectacular designs for you. Now, the Tanuki I have is absolutely huge. It's the biggest one out of the lot. And it's really, really nice. And we're really going to go to town on this today. I've sent them out to Xavier from Expressions of Grace Bonsai, and to Dan from the Bonsai Project, and Gavin from Not Another Bonsai Channel, and also Dan from DR Bonsai. He also got one. He got the next biggest one. He was straight in there very quick, and he got the biggest one out of the lot. So it's going to be really interesting to see the designs that they come up with. Now, they're all going to be very different, and that's what I'm really hoping to see. Now, the one I've got, like I say, is the biggest one out of the lot, and it's going to take a lot of growing to get the thickness of this trunk, you know, suitable for it to be a really good Tanuki that looks like an old tree, you know, and doesn't look like a Tanuki at all. You know, you got to hide that from it. Now, I've ordered 5 Japanese larch trees for it, because at the end of the day, Japanese larch, they grow the fastest. They're the fastest growing tree, one of by far, and it won't take any time at all for this to grow into it, and for it to really take off and be a really nice Tanuki. So that's what I've ordered. I'm just waiting on them now. But we're going to really go to town on a little bit of carving on this today. We're going to take off these branches and do a little bit to it. Now, I have come up with a few designs for it. One being a tall, as tall as it is. I do like the height of it, but I'm not particularly over keen on the design, you know. The design can be really good, but if it doesn't work out, then I think I'm going to chop it quite low, really open up the inside and go with another little design on it. But first off, because it's so big, you don't want to chop something off and then regret it later. So first things first is we're going to go with a bigger design and see if we like it, and if I don't like it, then we'll go for a little design. But really stoked and really excited about this challenge that I've set everyone. I promise you guys that your Tanuki is going to be out very, very soon. I've just had a lot of personal issues and a lot of personal stuff going on that's taking all my money, so got to get that sorted out, and I'll get them sent out to you ASAP, guys. But for me, as it's here and I'm ready to go, I'm going to give this a go today. So let's get on with it. So right guys, we've got it all stabilised, and right, so first things off, this bit here is no good at all, so we need to get rid of that. So that's our first lump off. We'll do a little bit of carving to that later on down the line. This is just way too big. So I just wanted to show you this bit here. I kind of want to keep this bit, but it has to be sawn off as well. So we're going to go like that. Gives us a little bit of an angle down there, and we can do a little bit more carving on that. So right, I just wanted to show you the little assortment of drill bits that we have to play with. Some of them are a little bit blunt now, but most are still okay. They have little dumpy nose ones there that go to a point. We have like a spiral one that goes to an even sharper point. Rounded ones. We have the thicker ones. Where are they? The thick baby ones, thick ones that are just, you know, rip it all up. We've got a sanding disc and a polishing disc, and they're just a few of the drill bits that we got. We've got one here that's got like a tiny little head, and that's for like making little rebates in. So yeah, we've got a real assortment of tools there that or drill bits that we're gonna use to do this. First one I'm gonna use is this one here. So we're gonna get going on that. I'm gonna really try and open up these holes and make this Tanuki look good.
I just bought a new whip, spent a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to know it. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rocking all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care. In my life, I don't battle with no fear. Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do.
So right guys, we I'm taking a break. This is the next day. So we've got some holes made here, and we've got this cut out, or roughly cut out in the centre there. I'm not liking the height and the size of it, so I'm going to get the saw again and chop a little bit more down. And then we're going to open up this bottom part. So let's carry on.
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to know it. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rockin' all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care. In my life, I don't battle with no fear. Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do.
There you go, guys. There's today's episode done. I've done a lot of carving, as you can see. I'll give you a little tour of it in a second, but that's the first initial stage done. I've got a lot more carving to do, so next video is going to be another carving one. But as ever, please like and subscribe. If you want to do the Tanuki challenge, then send me a link in the description box, and I'll put a playlist together and you'll go in my playlist. So mention Bonsai Crazy's Tanuki Challenge. So, cheers guys. I'll see you later. Ta-da.